Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I purchased a big box of goodies from Mecca, so I thought it would be fun to sit down and show you guys the products and also do my makeup using the products, and we can kind of like review them together. I've already done my eyes today and my brows because all the products that I did purchase are for the face, so I thought it would just be easier to get that part out of the way. The skincare that I did purchase is all from the one brand. I got 4 products which I'm going to show you now. They are all from Glow Recipe. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of that brand before, but it is quite popular now and their skin products are amazing, and I've just seen so many nice reviews online and people share their thoughts on the products, so I thought I definitely need to try them because I'm on like this big skincare bandwagon at the moment and I just want to try all new products. So the first thing that I got from Glow Recipe is this Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Now this is the most popular one that I've heard about. I've seen it all over Instagram. So this is what the product looks like here. It's such cute packaging, and they do also come with the little spoon to scrape it out so you don't have to use your fingers. So the next thing that I got in the range, I just opened it already, but it's the Watermelon Glow Pore Type Facial. So this is what the packaging looks like here. It's quite similar to the glow mask, and I'm also gonna smell this. Oh my god, it smells so good too. I'm excited to try that out because I actually haven't read too many reviews online or seen too many reviews. I just thought I would get it because I was getting a fair few products in the range. The next product that I got is the Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. Now I did see one person use this on Instagram, I think, and it was a good review. So I wanted to test it out for myself. So this is what it looks like here. It's so cute. I love the shape and I love that it has a pump. I'm gonna spurt some out on my hand just so I can smell it. And it smells exactly like the watermelon face mask. I'm gonna rub a bit into my hand. Oh my god, I can already tell the glow. Oh my god, that smells so good. So I'm not sure if that's coming up on camera, but I can see how hydrating that is already on my hand and the nice glow. Ignore the hands. I did a fake tan. My hands always go bad, but whatever. Oh my god, that feels so good. So this one I got because I wanted to try as well, but it's the Avocado Eye Sleeping Mask. I haven't heard much about it, but oh, they're so hard to open. Nails. I don't know what it's gonna be like. That is the packaging. It's super cute. I actually want to smell it. It's quite small. It still smells good, but I can't really smell the avocado. I don't know, that's a bit different. I love the smell of the watermelon, but I don't know, hopefully it works good. So I am gonna give all these products a try. This Pearl Drop I will try on my YouTube channel, but the other products I will review kind of on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram, head over and follow me there and I'll do a little review on that platform. So let's start out with the makeup. The first product that I got is a primer, and this is the only product that I have tried before, but I tried it years and years ago and I did love it. So I did want to purchase it again, and it's the Stila One Step Correct Skin Tone Correcting and Brightening Primer. So this is just what it looks like here, and it has a little pump top. It's got the green, the peach, and the purple corrector in it, and it gives, what I can remember anyway, the most nicest like glowy base, and it's super pretty. So I am going to use that as primer today. So I just popped a couple of pumps on you can kind of see, is that too bright? You can kind of see all the color correcting colors in there. This feels so nice on the skin too. It's like cold. I barely got any sleep last night and my eyes are stinging today. So I'm kind of low-key wanting to get this eye makeup off so bad. Okay, so I got some new foundations. I got the Hourglass Vanish stick. This has been around for quite some time, but I've never actually tried it. So I thought I would get 2 shades, one tan, one like a bit lighter. I didn't know what was the best color match for me, and like most of the time I don't have a tan. So these are what the sticks look like here. Super cute, I love them, they're like bougie. I got linen and also golden. So this is the, oh, how do you do it? Yeah, wind it up. So that's the shade linen there. And then I will show you the shade golden. That is the shade there. These are the 2 colors together. I think today I might use the golden, but I might also add in a bit of linen. So that's golden. I actually might just use golden, but I'm gonna show you the swatch of linen on this side just so you can see. That's actually a really pretty color too. Maybe I'm gonna use both. Okay, let's just use both and see how we go. These seem super creamy too, and I don't know how much coverage they are, so I don't want to go too much because we can always build it up. So I'm probably going to have to add a little bit more, I think, foundation, because I want to do like a full coverage, but I'll blend this out and see how we go. I'm just going to use a kabuki brush and blend that into my face. So I definitely think I am going to add a bit more coverage. It feels so light on my skin. I love this. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the shade golden just around my face for a little bit more coverage. So I just read the box because I was wondering what the description of the foundation is, and it says that it is a seamless finish, which is definitely true. Anyway, let's move on to concealer and see how it looks after that. The concealer that I purchased was the Hourglass Hidden Corrective Concealer in the shade Pearl. So this is what it looks like here, and it just has a little wind up. That's what it looks like there. I don't know if that's going to be light enough, but we'll give it a go, see how we go. So it definitely feels nice and creamy going on, but I don't know if this color is the right color for me. Just gonna pop a little bit there as well. Not too much because it's not really that light. You probably can't even see that, it just blends into the foundation. It's honestly just melting into the foundation. It's definitely not full coverage, but it does look very beautiful on the skin. I'm just gonna pop a little bit on the sides of my nose and blend that in. My skin at the moment around my nose is quite dry, and it seems to be sitting on top of that pretty good. Moving on, I'm gonna do my blush, and I've heard such good things about the Mecca Max blush stick, so I'm just going to open that up. So I think off the top of my head, this comes in 4 colors. I got the shade Pinch, whoops, nearly got that. I got the shade Pinch, and it's like this pretty, how do I explain this? Pinky nude. I'll pop it over the apples. We'll see how that goes. Put a little bit on my nose as well. I'm just gonna get a clean brush and blend that in. So that blended out super easy. I'm gonna pop a little bit more on. I don't know whether it's just too light or what, but there we go. Now it's starting to look a little bit more pigmented. It literally just blends out in seconds. I really like that. So I'm just gonna bronze the skin. This is just a MAC bronzing powder that I have because I actually didn't buy a bronzer. So I'm just gonna bronze a tiny bit. I'm also just gonna take a little bit of loose powder and just dust it underneath my eyes. Just a little bit to kind of set down that concealer, and also just down the center of my face. I'm not putting too much on, just a little bit. I feel like I need to go over my blush with some powder or something. I'm just going to use MAC Melba. It's quite similar to the blush that we used. I feel like I just need to add a little bit of something. Okay, so that's definitely enhanced the blush. Just adding a little bit of powder on top. So this is something that I've been wanting for so long. It's such a beautiful palette. This is the Ambient Lighting palette by Hourglass. This is what it looks like here. And then these are the shades here. Let's try this out. I'm hoping and praying this is gonna be pretty on the skin. I think I'm gonna try the Metal shade and see how that looks on the skin. I'm just adding it to my cheekbone. It is really pretty. I feel like this would be good for like editorial, really glowy looks, bridal, that kind of thing, but I don't know. I mean, it's okay. I feel a little bit disappointed by that. So the last thing that I purchased isn't makeup, but it is some brushes. I got a Morphe brush set. This one's the Jaclyn Hill one. So this is the brush set here. It comes with 8 brushes. So these are the eye brushes, some nice big fluffy ones, and a couple of smaller ones as well. I already have a few Morphe brushes anyway, so they are good, I know that, and they're quite reasonable price. I just feel like with Morphe brushes, they do wear a lot easier. So they're a kind of brush that you need to get rid of quicker, as opposed to like Sigma, Zoeva, MAC. They last a little bit longer, but it depends how often you do use your brushes and wash them and stuff like that. Let me just jump off camera and do my lips and I'll be back. So this is the finished look. Overall, I do love all the products. I really need to use them a little bit more to get like a really good idea of how the products work, but they are really pretty on the skin. I'll give you guys a little bit of a closer look. I really like it. I feel like it's just really natural and pretty, but like still glam. So that is all I have to show for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this little mini haul, makeup review / tutorial. I definitely want to do a Sephora one next. So if you have any product recommendations to get from Sephora, let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys all in my next video.